Chicken manure, a nutrient-rich organic material, can be processed into organic fertilizer, not only addressing environmental issues in the livestock industry but also providing high-quality organic fertilizer for agricultural production. This video details the components and advantages of a chicken manure organic fertilizer production line, helping organic fertilizer factories achieve high-quality, low-cost production. Advantages of this production line: high degree of automation, utilizing an advanced automated control system. Each process step is seamlessly integrated, reducing labor costs and improving production efficiency. Drying-free process: the flat die pellet machine directly forms pellets through physical extrusion, eliminating the need for a drying step, capable of pelletizing pellets with a moisture content of 20-40, saving 30-50 in energy consumption. High granulation rate, utilizing a central screw pressure adjustment mechanism and adaptive die gap adjustment. The pelletization rate is 95, reducing return material waste. Wide raw material compatibility, suitable for high fiber materials such as chicken manure and straw. No fine grinding is required, less than 5 mm, reducing pre-processing costs. Stable pellet properties: the cylindrical pellets are strong and resist breakage during transportation. Particle diameter is adjustable from 330 mm to meet the needs of different crops. Quick return on investment: the chicken manure organic fertilizer production line offers low costs, high yields, and excellent quality, enabling investors to achieve a quick return on investment.